मेरा नाम प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर गुलाम मुस्तबाशा है and currently I am working as chairperson Department of Botany Hazara University Mansehra and also as pro vice chancellor of this university. I started my service as lecturer in government college and served there for many years, and after doing my PhD I joined Hazara University in 2013. Since then I have served as Dean of the Faculty of Art and Humanities, Dean Faculty of Biological Sciences, Director ORIC, and Chairperson of many departments, microbiology, bioinformatics, and Alhamdulillah I have also established some of the very important departments of the Hazara University, and one of them is pharmacy department, and we have more than 400 students in pharmacy department. I also established Department of Art Sciences. There are 2 programs in the art sciences. Recently I have launched BS Forestry program under the umbrella of Department of Botany successfully, and we have admitted nearly 30 students in the first batch. As regard Department of Botany, as you see here on the board, Department of Botany was established in 2002 and MPhil PhD program was started in 2005. Since then, department has played very important role in research, in education, in academics. और डिपार्टमेंट जो इस वक्त जो है पाकिस्तान के जो डिपार्टमेंट हैं प्लांट साइंसेस की या बॉटनी के, उनमें एक इसका बहुत बड़ा नाम है. एंड आई विल नॉट फॉरगेट टू गिव दिस क्रेडिट टू आवर ग्रेट टीचर्स प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर रबीब अहमद एंड प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर मंजूर हुसैन एंड मेनी अदर, जिन्होंने इस डिपार्टमेंट को यहाँ तक पहुँचाने में बड़ा इम्पॉर्टेंट जो है वो रोल प्ले किया. Today we have more than 400 students in the Department of Botany, and currently there are 4 programs. One is BS Botany, MPhil Botany, PhD Botany, and BS Forestry. I joined as chairperson in 2020, and this is my second tenure. And during this tenure we established many labs in the department, molecular lab and a well-organized herbarium, where we have also digitized nearly 10,000 plant accessions, and we have also signed MOUs with the affiliated colleges and other universities, and we are also collaborating with those colleges and universities in documentation of plant knowledge. We have produced from till to date, from 2005 till 2026, 60 PhDs have been produced, and they have passed out from Department of Botany, and all are in, most of them are on good positions. They are professors, they are in forest department, many are serving abroad in China, in UK, in America, and there are thousands of MPhil graduates which got their degrees from this department, and they are serving in different organizations, research areas of the plant sciences, and some of those are the bryophytes, the pteridophytes. We have projects. Dr. Alia is leading the group on pteridophytes. Dr. Jani Alam is working on bryophytes. Similarly, Dr. Aftab is working on plant microbe interaction. Dr. Zafar is working on ecology, vegetation. And we have diverse faculty here. They are working in different fields. Mushrooms, Dr. Fiaz, Dr. Majid is in specialist in conservation biology. My field is ethnobotany and pharmacognosy. Similarly, there are many other teachers. Dr. Rabia is leading a project on Texas conservation site. Similarly, we have other, Dr. Azhar Khan is working on allelopathy. Dr. Shabnam, Dr. Nazge Shaheen, Dr. Niaz Ali is working on molecular biology. Dr. Rabia Masood is working on molecular biology, Dr. Israr is working on molecular biology. So we have diverse faculty and they are doing very marvelous research work. Thank you very much.